Hi, this is Rob Jackson for the TESOL 3081 class, and my assignment has been to model a cognitive strategy, or simply a strategy that takes a complex task for students and makes it easier for them to process and understand the information. So I have a couple of students here at Atlantic Coast High School, some of my English students, who I'm going to be demonstrating this strategy for, and hopefully they can take this skill and use it in their other classes. But the concept we're going to be covering today is Cornell notes, or as they're often called, two-column notes. Two-column notes are simply a form of notes that help us break down the main ideas in an article or a passage that we might be reading. Now, there are three main components to two-column notes, which I'm going to draw on the board. On your paper, of course, you're going to create two columns and then a section, a rectangular section at the bottom. In the left-hand side, that's where we put our main ideas of the passage we're reading or any questions about the passage that we may have. So main ideas or questions go in the left-hand column. Now, the way we can find main ideas in a passage can be looking at bold headings. It could be by grouping different information that we see a pattern in or that we see are all related to the same topic, okay? So left column, main idea and questions. On the right-hand column, we put details about that main idea. Now, of course, when we're putting these details, we have to remember that these are notes. So you don't necessarily need to put, the exact wording. I would just stick to short, incomplete sentences that just capture important facts or important details that you need to know to understand that main idea. And then finally, when you finish the passage, you're going to use the bottom section down here to summarize the entire passage. And that summary can be anywhere between 1 to 5 sentences. Now, since this is an English class, I have you guys looking at a passage about William Shakespeare, one of the main authors that we look at in this class. So if we were going to take a main idea to use for our left-hand column of Cornell notes, what could be potentially something we put in the left-hand column?
We could put Shakespeare's childhood and family life.
So good. We could put Shakespeare's childhood and family life. And why'd you choose that, Soleil?
Because it was in bold and above the paragraph.
Absolutely. So Soleil took a bold heading and decided to use that for one of the main ideas that she's going to then go and pull details from. So what I want you guys to do, go ahead and take 10 minutes to continue reading the passage and then create two-column notes on your own. And that is how you do Cornell notes or cognitive strategies.